Yo, happy new year, guys. My name is Akshay Dilip Kumar, aka ADK, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today, I'm gonna be reacting to Ash, an Indian beatbox documentary by Beatbox India. So, I've been like looking forward for this since the time they launched the trailer. So, I'm really excited to watch this documentary. So, let's see how it goes, right? All right, let's go.
ADK Beatbox.
Hey, Michael Jackson.
I gave my money,
Hey.
I gave my time, I gave her everything in life what her heart could find. It doesn't seem to matter and it doesn't seem but the will is right, no fucking till I cry alone and don't you judge of my composure, cause I'm bothered every day. And she didn't leave a letter, she just up and ran up.
You just saw the legend
Hey,
Michael Jackson doing.
Rakavi.
It was so cool, right? Every human in this world is connected to an art form in some way or the other. It's all about believing in it. It's all about realizing it. Life is all about rhythm, isn't it? Everyone has it. You have it. My name is Rakavi, and I'm a full-time performing artist, musician from India, and a beatboxer from India.
I like the way he tells I'm a beatboxer from India.
I started my artist career with dancing. So my body had a rhythm already, and so it was so much fun for me to bring the rhythm into beats with beatboxing. Also, I finished my engineering, finished my master's, had a corporate job, but then something pushed me to quit my job and pursue music full time, I think, and beatboxing had the major part in it. I'm sure every beatboxer who's watching can relate to what I'm saying. Imagine beatboxing was my best friend here, and it was like, chill, just go ahead, I'm with you always. And that was the confidence that I had. It consumes you, and the best part is you allow it. No matter how you feel, you're happy, you're sad, or whatever, if you're into beatboxing, you will just do it. You will just do it. India being a country where we have so many languages and we have so many bifurcations, and we are divided by so many things. See, yes, music brings all of us together, but even in music we have Hindi, Tamil, you have so many other languages. So but this is just like pure organic. It's your mouth, your throat, and you are in a way communicating through your mouth, but you are speaking music. How beautiful is that? Welcome to the world of beatboxing.
3, 2, 1, Beatbox!
Hey, bro.
Beatboxing is an art form. It's
Hey,
currently
Karo.
picking up a lot of heat now, and it's just a very unique art form where you create the sound of music using only a mouth. For example, if I'm doing a kick drum, it would sound like a zip would sound like. So if I put these sounds together, I could do.
जिससे कि जिप अपन बंद करते
हाँ, मैं-
हैं वो साउंड मेरे को इतना पसंद आया था, मेरे दोस्त ने माइक पे किया था। मैं बोला था ये साउंड कैसे कर रहे हैं, मैं तो सिर्फ बीट बॉक्स यही करके कर रहा हूँ। फिर बाद में वो जिपर साउंड का मैंने ट्यूटोरियल डाला, तो जिपर साउंड भी घूम फिर के बेसिक पे आया था कि वो लिप से ही सक्शन करना है, छोटा सा होल बनाना है, एंड वी हैव टू ब्रीथ इन।
Lots of us as children are like, always messing around with sounds and just different weird stuff. And like the beatboxers are just the ones who keep that childishness. So once I saw Vineet and Likit, I was like, this is the best thing in the world.
I find it to be a very unique talent, and when I first found out about beatboxing, it was something very different and something I thought I could find my passion in.
I developed this as a passion actually. So I have a
Hey,
passion for
Mr.
it.
Zan.
That's how I got into it. And definitely when you do beatboxing, it gives you kind of relief from your stresses. You're in a difficult situation. You want to come out of it. If you do some sounds, it keeps you in good mood. It develops some kind of positive vibes around you, and that makes you positive.
Beatboxing is something more like it's like a
Of
representation
the-
of music and all that. And like once I started trying to like beatbox the music, and the way I tried doing it was very nice.
In time when we figured out there's beatboxing, and it was a really unique thing to hear someone perform music without any instruments, using only the mouth, and it was almost like alienish, like it looked almost impossible, and it kind of made anyone beatboxing more connected to music in general, which kind of removed their creativity in the art form.
मेरे से ये रास्ते ऐसे करी शुरुआत है, इसे कहते स्ट्रीट आर्ट है, असर रखना फूकम फाक है, गाना निगाता में धीरे धीरे, गाने
Hey,
में
hey,
धीरे
hey,
धीरे,
hey.
जिंदगी को आज धीरे धीरे, आवाज में अपनी एक फीले काटक में पहुंचूंगा I never knew, काटक में पहुंचूंगा I never knew, साथ में हेरी है, खुद से कटा में बात थे सारे है साल पहले ये सपने पाले थे, अब से बताते अपने बारे में, ब्रांड ला रहा हम छक्के जुड़ा देंगे, सपनों के पीछे में कांटों के नीचे में जैसे है पत्ते गुलाब के, सपनों के पीछे में कांटों के नीचे में जैसे है
Definitely, there are two ways of looking at it. Some people do this just as a passion. Some people do this for making their living.
Yeah, I'm there.
Beatboxing can also be a path to healing and to transformation. More than just an art, it can be a practice which one uses to heal.
Yeah, here I am. So I think this was like we did this small jam like before the eliminations of IBC 2018. I still remember like we had like a crazy time at IBC 2018. So if you people haven't seen the IBC 2018 videos, go check it out. It's like really dope. But yeah, I messed up my showcase elimination round because like I was like really nervous. But yeah, that experience we got at IBC was like really dope. So if any of you beatboxers are like really beginning at or are like beginners, I would like really advise you guys to go and attend like big events like Colossal or Indian Beatbox Championship if it's happening somewhere near your place, because it gives you a lot of experience as beatboxers when you go and attend this event, because you get to meet a lot of beatboxers and almost all of them share the same amount of passion as you. So I really recommend you guys to go and attend these events if you people are really wanting to take beatboxing seriously, because it helps you a lot to improve. Let's go.
Themselves or to transform themselves.
I guess it's anything that is coming out of your creative mind and something that you want to share with the world, like a piece, just your creation, which could be a painting, could be a song that you've produced on the computer. It could be a sculpture. If you beatbox to a high level, then your beatbox is like a song, you know, especially if you structure it like that. So yeah, it's definitely a skill because you have to practice and you have to have the skill to be able to execute the beatbox style. But also, for sure, it's like a talent as well, 100%.
Konakol beatboxer.
Beatboxing and Konakol can be a deadly combination. Indian beatboxers with the sound backing of Konakol can really help them to elevate themselves to a much higher plane.
तो उसको अपन इंडो वेस्टर्न में करने
Konakol and beatboxing are interrelated because they both belong to vocal percussion category. Both the art forms are undoubtedly interesting, attractive, unique and entertaining in their own ways. Both of them deal with rhythms, grooves, time signatures, music mathematics, etc. Of course, there are collaborations happening between beatboxers and Konakol artists, and the future is really promising.
நான் பாடும் பாட்டோ அதில் பாரம் ஆனால் எனக்கு வேண்டாம் அனுதாபம்
Get away, I'ma drop a bomb. Gates closed, my dogs a rap. Money came, but I never had fun. When the mind got tired, I did have some. This man there flirting on the soup. Goddamn, he soaked me in two. Mind blown, I was flying so high like a ba 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 blah. What a douchebag was I? Get away, I'ma drop a bomb.
When you are indulged in doing music, definitely you don't give room for any other things in your life. So you become a purified person in your life.
People are making a career in US, Australia, UK. It's a different scene. Okay? To make a career with beatboxing in India, it's going to be, it's a ride. Okay? And I believe that it is possible. It is definitely possible.
Bro, this music, bro, is a vibe. Wait for the top. Yeah, so for those people who were asking me what Esh was, here it is. So I'll just read it out for you people so that you people know what it is. Okay. Esh is the English equivalent of yo, what's up? Wesh meaning yo. The phrase was simplified to just Yesh. Firebrass used it as a way for beatboxers to say hello to each other. So For all of you people who had asked me what Esh was, Esh just means hello and is a way how beatboxers greet each other. Alright, so I just completely watched the documentary right now, and I feel like a lot of work has been put into this documentary, because I see footages from, like, as far as I know, like the events that I have attended, like I think I saw Colossal 3.0's footage, then Indian Beatbox Championships footage, then even Colossal 4.0's footage. So I think this documentary nearly took around 2 to 3 years for them to make, because I can see like a lot of footages from like 2 years back put in this video. So I think there has been a lot of work which has been gone through in the making of this video. So big ups to Beatbox India and all the artists like who worked on this documentary. And next, I like really feel that you people succeeded in like portraying the complete Indian beatbox scene through this documentary. And not only that, I think beatboxers from all over the world like can totally like relate to this documentary, because yeah, the scene I think is almost same in like all over the world. So I feel like Beatbox India has completely succeeded in like portraying the complete beatbox scene through this documentary. And I recommend like all the beatboxers, if you people haven't watched it yet, go and check it out, because there's a lot of information for you people in this single documentary. So if you people haven't watched it, go and check out this documentary by Beatbox India. I'll link it up in my description below. So if you people want to watch it, just go click on the description and watch the complete video. Since like it's a 43 minutes long video and I can't shoot the entire thing, I just forwarded some parts in the video. So if you people want to like completely watch the video, go to the link in my description and watch the video. And again, big ups to Beatbox India for such a wonderful documentary, guys. So if you people are beatboxers or non-beatboxers, I highly recommend you guys to go and watch this video, because it'll give you a lot of knowledge and information regarding the beatbox scene. So if you people haven't watched it, go and check it out right now. The links will be in my description, and also if you people want, just search a Beatbox India and you'll find their videos in their channel. And I guess that's it for this video, guys. If you people like my video, do drop a like, and if you people are new to my channel, do drop a subscribe also. And if you people want more of such videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And I think that's it for this video, guys. Ash.